Singapore insurers are extending relief measures to help ease the financial burden on policyholders amid the COVID-19 pandemic. This includes deferment of insurance premiums and flexible premium instalment plans. The schemes, which were launched earlier this year, have already seen a total of about 35,000 applications from firms and individuals. Geraldine Yap with more.
This workshop specializes in services like car grooming and basic servicing. But when the pandemic hit, its sales were almost completely washed away. To make things worse, insurance premium payments of about $11,000 are due in October.
For the month of April right up to July, I think we only had about less than $1,000 of sale. Yeah, and despite all this, we have to continue paying for our workers. Cash flow was pretty tight. We wanted to approach the banks for bank loan, but unfortunately, I think the criteria was a little bit too high.
Policyholders like Groomers Lab who are facing financial difficulties can look forward to more support from the insurance industry. General insurance policyholders will have until the end of next year to apply for flexible premium installment plans while maintaining insurance protection for the paid-up period. Some 1,400 policyholders have already applied for such schemes so far. Life insurance policyholders who are in financial difficulties can apply for premium deferment of up to 6 months. This applies to premiums or policy renewals due between 1st October this year and 31st March next year. Coverage will also be maintained. Life insurers first offered such premium deferments in April, and so far there have been close to 34,000 applications, of which about 90% have been approved. One insurer says it will continue to monitor the situation and adjust its schemes accordingly to continue supporting its customers.
We are also trying to develop products and initiatives that will meet the expectations of consumers during this difficult time. So products that are able to cater to sudden loss of income, for example.
An expert says some insurance policies are long-term in nature, and it's logical for insurers to retain their policyholders and help them through the economic downturn.
They're obviously very committed to making sure that they can do what they can for their policyholders, who are clearly very important for them, and very keen to ensure that coverage for them continues, even if they're unable to afford premiums in the short term. Many insurers will certainly want to capture and keep their clients, and retain them over the course of their lifetimes.
Experts say the insurance industry's overall performance for this year will likely not be affected by the support measures, as many insurers would also have built up sufficient capital buffers over the years.